has Asim Munir, who's the head of the military. And for people that are not aware of Pakistani politics, the military, and that's my view, the military has power in Pakistan, and they're the ones that are, kind of pulling the strings, at least in the view of many in Pakistan, and as well as people from the outside. So Asim Munir is the leader in that military. Asim Munir has an insatiable hunger for power. That's from your brother, which is why he has imposed the worst form of dictatorship. Instead of demanding that I apologize, Asim Munir should apologize to me. So your brother implies that he was asked to apologize, which I'm going to ask you about. The events of May 9th, 2023 were orchestrated by the same person who stole the CCTV footage. At present, May 9th has become Asim Munir's insurance policy. So essentially, May 9th is when the protests happened, and they're using this as a reason, as an excuse to target your family, which I'll let you explain on. And the CCTV footage, which you explained in our last interview 5 days ago, was when your son, one of your sons, your two sons, in 24 hours were essentially kidnapped or taken to jail, to the shock of many. And it's all being blamed on those May 9th events.